This page number 23 writes a date here. I will give you the concept of in between. In between, between का मतलब होता है दरमियान में. Look at the picture key. Draw what will come between the pictures given below. आपको ये पिक्चर की नज़र आ रही है. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं और फिर आपने सर्च करना है कि कौन सी पिक्चर बिटवीन है. ठीक है. Look at the picture key. Draw what will come between the pictures given below. Okay, let's start it. Here is strawberry and cap. Okay, tell me what comes in between strawberry and cap. Bow. This is a bow. So we will draw the bow. This is a bow and this is a pencil. So we will look here what comes in between the bow and the pencil. Bow and the pencil. Cap. We will draw the cap in between the bow and the pencil. Okay, tell me what comes in between pencil and kite. Pencil and kite. Flower. So we will draw the flower. What comes in between the cup and the bow? Cup and the bow. Strawberry. We will draw the strawberry in between the cup and the bow. आपने इसी तरह से बाकी पेज को भी कंप्लीट करना है. This is page number 24. Write the date here. What comes between 3 and 5? Between का आपको पता है किसे कहते हैं? Between कहते हैं टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स के दरमियान में. ठीक है. जैसे 3 and 5 के दरमियान में क्या आता है? What comes between 3 and 5? 4. Write it down. 4. 3, 4, 5. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. Write it down. 8. What comes between 6 and 8? आप सोचें 6 and 8 के दरमियान में क्या आता है? What comes between 6 and 8? 7. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. What comes between 4 and 6? 4, 5, 6. What comes between 2 and 4? 3. Write it down. 3.